Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer ChatGPT memory and chats to Gemini. To transfer your memory or data from ChatGPT to Gemini, start by opening Gemini and going to Settings, then look for a Help or Data section where an option like Import Memory to Gemini may be available, depending on your version. Next, go to ChatGPT, tap your profile in the bottom left, open Settings, then go to Data Controls, select export data, then confirm their export request. After that, ChatGPT will send you a download link or file notification, usually through an email. So open your email and download the zip file that contains your chat history and account data. Once the file is fully downloaded, return to Gemini, go to the Import or Add Data section, and upload the zip file so the system can process it and attempt to transfer supported information. Keep in mind that not all memory or personalization data may transfer perfectly between platforms, since ChatGPT and Gemini store structured data differently. So what usually transfers best is chat history and exported account data rather than true cross-platform memory syncing. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.